Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on my channel. I know it's been a while, but yeah, sometimes you have other priorities than making videos in life. I hope everything is okay with you. With me, everything is fine. For this project, I used some scrap wood I had laying around from the Rubio monocoat atelier days. I wanted to make a truck, but a very simple and quick one. So first I laid out the patterns onto the wood, traced it with my pencil, and then I can cut it out on the bandsaw, sand it smooth on the little belt sander. Drill some axle holes for the wheels. I'm scribbling on the wood with pencil so I can easily see where I need to sand more. Measuring where I can place the pin for the trailer. Cut the dowel for the axles to length. And because it's a simple design, I want to give it a little bit extra, and I'm doing that by giving it a chamfer with a router. Let's glue in the little pin, and after that it's already time for oiling. And again, as always, I'm using the beautiful colors from Rubio monocoat. These beautiful and practical wheels are sent to me by Craftparts. Go look at their website, they have amazing products if you are making wooden toys like me. Thank you, Rubio and Craftparts. Thank you for watching to my video until the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye!